Merry Christmas, everybody. So today is the Creative Nails collab. So this is our first Christmas together. So Merry Christmas, ladies. So the theme was Christmas winter. So you could either do Christmas or you could do winter, or you could combine the two. So I tried to combine the two. So these are the colours I'm going to be using. It's very self-explanatory what I'm going to be doing, but if I do feel I need to come back, then I will. If not, I will come back at the end and we will have a look and see what we created. Okay, see you soon. Okay, I'm just going to finish adding all the final little bits and bobs. So let me know what you think down below. I did try and sort of incorporate kind of Christmas colours. The foil I'm not really sure about, and I definitely should have wiped the back side of it with rubbing alcohol, because it's a very, very thick foil. But I got it to work in the end, so that's something. So yes, Merry Christmas everybody. It will be Christmas Day when you watch this. I hope everybody has a lovely, lovely Christmas, and thank you for taking the time out of your Christmas day to watch our videos. If you have time, please check out Instagram, because a couple of the ladies only do pictures, they don't do videos. So yes, our first Christmas together, and yeah, hopefully there's many more to come. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today, and thank you for all your support and kind words and patience throughout this year. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care, enjoy your day, and I shall speak to you all soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.